Over 4 decades of satisfied customers, and we're still going strong. Canoga Park Heating and Air Conditioning has a proven track record, and we continue to make strides in the industry. Consistency is the key to longevity. We stand behind our protective warranties, affordable pricing, and exceptional workmanship. Our reputation precedes us. Canoga Park Heating and Air is a licensed company specializing in designing, engineering, and installing complete comfort systems. Experts in heating and air conditioning maintenance, repair, and new installations, we work with efficiency and professionalism. Take advantage of our home performance evaluations. We'll determine the air quality of your home, installation needs, the source of any malfunctioning equipment, and then advise you on the best possible resolution. Breathe easy, maintain balanced temperatures year-round, and save money with Canoga Park Heating and Air Conditioning. Servicing Topanga, Santa Monica, Bel Air, Pacific Palisades, Westwood, Westwood Village, Beverly Hills, and Brentwood.